Hello, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, all the way from Nepal. Today we are at Singh Organic Agro Farm, and I'm gonna show you someone special of our farm. We got Kakashi Hatake on our farm. So let me show you what's he been doing. And here is it. He's the Kakashi Hatake of our farm because he got something called saringan. As you can see, there is saringan on his left eye, while other doesn't. That's the saringan, and there we don't have. He's the only boar we have on our farm. He's like 1.5 years old. A little aggressive, but still got the saringan. And what we have is our small farm. We've been doing pig farming. We have a couple of pigs. All right, now altogether we have 49. All been busy, and some scales. And those are his children's, Kakashi. In anime, he didn't get married, but in real life, he had a couple of babies. Kakashi Hatake with a saringan. It's a 1 in a million to have such eyes, whether it's animals or human beings. But do you guys have such like pets that have saringan? Please do comment below.